What's the meaning of bothersome? Bothersome. Bothersome.
Bothersome. Bothersome. The word bothersome is an adjective that describes something or someone that causes annoyance, irritation, or inconvenience. It can also refer to a situation or task that is tedious or difficult to deal with. In essence, bothersome things require extra effort to manage or resolve, which can be frustrating or time-consuming. For example, a stubborn computer program that constantly crashes can be bothersome to a user who needs to complete a project on a tight deadline. Similarly, a recurring minor health issue can be bothersome to a person who cannot seem to shake it off. Ultimately, the term bothersome implies a level of discomfort or nuisance that is not pleasant to experience.